nearly 1 billion malnourished people in the world, and over the next 2 decades, the demand for food will increase dramatically. The staggering fact is that the food wasted in the US, the UK, and Europe is enough to feed the world's 1 billion malnourished people. In impact countries, over 50% of produce and as much as 80% of fish catch is lost due to poor preservation. This food never gets to the table in places where 98% of the malnourished live. At the Post-Harvest Project, we believe the solution lies within food producers, the farmers, fishers, and harvesters. If they can get the right tools and the right technologies, they will be enabled to keep more of what they raise, catch, and grow. We work with food providers to help them reduce waste. They also increase their incomes by providing long-term sustainability.
The Post-Harvest Project can be summed up in 2 words: real sustainability. We work for human sustainability in the food supply chain. That brings about economic sustainability for those throughout the pyramid, something vital for long-term success. Then, our technologies help bring environmental sustainability. Lots of people talk about it. The Post-Harvest Project takes action.
NanoIce is an all-natural liquid ice, and therefore NanoIce provides 100% coverage, surface coverage, and creates a barrier against bacteria. We've always known that our technology was revolutionary, and since its creation there was a desire by its inventor and our CEO to take NanoIce to Africa, the Far East, and other impact areas of the world. We needed a partner, though, to make that happen in a way that was sustainable and scalable. The Post-Harvest Project is that partner. NanoIce preserves all harvested fresh food and therefore offers a huge contribution to post-harvest waste.
We buy the fish waste, the guts and heads, and anything that can be thrown away. That forms the base of EcoGroup's organic fertilizer. It has worked well in China for 20 years, improving yields by over 20%. We're going to help the people in Ghana have their own fertilizer plant and then distribute fertilizer across West Africa. It's less expensive than chemical and oil-based fertilizer, and it's better for the soil. So it's a win-win-win.
A lot of the fish are lost whole, they're rotting, they're not making it to market, and 10 to 15% of it right off the bat, even in the best of circumstances in Ghana, is generally lost to, it just rots away and deteriorates. And what we want to do is we want to take that fish from the catch point to the consumer point, give it a longer shelf life, and use all the byproduct waste. We want to show that a zero-waste supply chain is possible, that one change can make a huge difference in the food supply.